our brother LETSILE TEBOGO from Botswana in Africa was being welcomed, and it was one of a kind. It was one of the best welcoming ceremonies to have ever been experienced in Africa. Greetings family, welcome to this video once again. So pleased to have you back. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for taking your time to always come back and watch my videos. To Team Jamaica and all the Jamaicans, big up on yourself, large up yourselves. Thank you for your love and support. Our brother LETSILE TEBOGO from Botswana in Africa was being welcomed, and it was one of a kind. It was one of the best welcoming ceremonies to have ever been experienced in Africa. You know, Botswana, it's a country in Africa, in the southern part of Africa, being 70% occupied by the desert, that is the Kalahari Desert. But this country is one of the best countries in Africa. Speaking as an African, even though my country is in eastern side of Africa, but Botswana is one of the best countries, and its main activity is mining and tourism. When it comes to mining, guys, Botswana is the largest producer of diamond in the world, guys. If you didn't know, now you know. Also, Botswana, in terms of corruption index, Botswana is one of the countries with less corruption in Africa. So with the winning of LETSILE TEBOGO, will welcome a road of tourists and also investors to come and experience, have a taste of Africa. And you know, when one visits Botswana, they are likely to also to visit other parts of Africa. So welcome all the people who are thinking of visiting Africa. Africa is safe, and we love visitors. We welcome visitors. Leave alone to some of the negative comments going around, or rather negative videos that are being spread by others, portraying Africans as people who are suffering, who don't have food. No, that is not the case. So LETSILE TEBOGO has raised the name of Africa in the world, and also raised the name of his country, Botswana. Thank you. I say congratulations for what you did. For those who don't know LETSILE TEBOGO, he is an athlete, a short distance athlete from Botswana, and he participated in the Paris Olympics, and he has also been participating in other competitions. In Paris Olympics, he participated in the men. He was part of the men finals 100 meters run, which he got position. He didn't get any medal, but he did. He got a good time of 9.8. Was it 8.6 or 8.8? And looking at his trajectory, he has been showing improvement from time to time. from in like every run or the championships that he participates, you'll find that he has an improvement, which is a very good thing. And he's also humble. He has been going through a lot this year. In 2024, he lost his mother, but he has been able to overcome all the mental stresses associated with losing a parent. And he won gold actually in men 200 meters Olympics that was in Paris, beating one of the guys who is talkative from USA known as Noah Lyles. And also he went further and helped his brothers from Botswana to take to win a silver medal in men relay of 4x400. So he was received like a king. You know, he set a record. This is the first person in Africa get a gold in 200 meters. That is so good. He was received gallantly like a king. Congratulations to LETSILE TEBOGO, but don't let this idea of medals and being received that get into your head. You should work hard, keep on working hard. And also I'd like to congratulate all the other Africans who also participated in the race. Our brother Omanyala, even though he didn't make it to the final, I said congratulations and keep on working hard. And all the other African brothers and Jamaicans keep on working hard. In the Paris Olympics, he received some amount of appreciation by winning the gold, and also by winning the silver medal in the 4x400 relay. The team also received some cash. But apart from that, the country also is going to award him with a house and some other goodies. Congratulations. Congratulations to all the Africans and Botswana for the work that you have done. We are so proud of you. And not only you, I'm also proud of Team Jamaica, because I'm Team Jamaica and Team Africa. You know, as usual, I have been voting for African brothers to win, and if not African brothers, Jamaicans. I'm so happy Kishen Thompson participated, but it went the way it went. African sisters participated, and Paris Olympics, we saw what happened, how they treated our sister from Jamaica, Shelly Ann, and it is what it is. But Jamaicans and Africans live to fight for another day. Other champions will come. We have the spirit of resilience as Africans, and also Jamaicans have the spirit of resilience. So congratulations to our brother LETSILE TEBOGO. You are a winner. You are our champion. Keep on working hard. And the good thing is, still young. He has the potential to do wonders. His icon is Jamaica's Usain Bolt. In previous competitions, in one interview, he was asked about his icon, and he said he really likes the way Usain Bolt used to handle his business, how he used to run, and he emulates him. This is a humble brother. Even in the interview after the 200 meters men final, after taking the gold, when he was being interviewed, you know, when other people get to the podium, to the desk where the panel where they are being interviewed, you'll find that some are wearing caps and so forth. You can see the way he did. He removed his cap. That's an African way. We Africans, we are treated. We are taught how to behave in a disciplined manner. When you get in front of people, you don't. You respect people. You respect whether they are old, whether they are young. You should show respect, and that is what exactly LETSILE TEBOGO showed. You see, he removes his cap, even though there's a comment that he said about Noah Lyles, but that's the truth. See, Noah Lyles plays mind games, come there, jumps, and so forth. Understand? It's one thing to be courageous and proud of yourself, but it should not go further and extend to the point of your proud is making other people to feel like to limit them or to make them feel like they are nothing. We should respect one another and respect other opinions or the opinions of each other, and also make each and every person look important. And I'm so happy that it is said pride comes before falls. No Alliance was humbled by LETSILE TEBOGO. I got a time of 19.4546, 19.45, and he won the gold medal, the first ever gold medal to come in Africa. So these are some of the let me play some of the videos of the way he was being welcomed in Botswana, Gaborone. It was a happy mood as Botswana's people from southern part of Africa were welcoming the Olympics champions or giants, to say. So to say, you can see they're dancing and singing the traditional songs. Yeah, some are jumping, some are shaking their waists as they praise their Olympics champions, being led by the guy Mr. LETSILE TEBOGO. So they are really happy. They are very happy. You can see a happy mood. Some are carrying posters, placards, singing, and most of them are wearing the flag of Botswana, that is blue in color. Enjoy the video.